With tensions spiking in the Middle East, US forces in the region are facing increasing threats. A Navy warship shot down missiles appearing to head toward Israel on Thursday. According to reports, American bases in Iraq and Syria were repeatedly targeted by drone attacks. Later, a US official said that there had been rocket attack early Friday morning on US and coalition forces at a diplomatic support center near the Baghdad International Airport. The official said that initial assessments indicated 2 rockets were fired. They said that one was intercepted by a counter-rocket system and the other struck an empty storage facility. The official, who spoke on condition of anonymity to discuss details not yet made public, said that no casualties were reported. Earlier, the USS Carney, a Navy destroyer in the northern Red Sea, intercepted 3 land attack cruise missiles and several drones that were launched by Houthi forces in Yemen. The action by the Carney potentially represented the first shots by the US military in the defense of Israel in this conflict. Pentagon Press Secretary Brigadier General Pat Ryder told reporters that the missiles were potentially headed toward Israel, but he said that the US hasn't finished its assessment of what they were targeting. A US official said that they do not believe the missiles were aimed at the US warship. The official spoke on condition of anonymity to discuss military operations that had not yet been announced, but an array of other drone attacks over the past 3 days did target US bases, including one in southern Syria on Thursday that caused minor injuries.
Information about these engagements is still being processed. We cannot say for certain what these missiles and drones were targeting, but they were launched from Yemen, heading north along the Red Sea, potentially towards targets in Israel.
The rash of violence comes in the wake of a deadly explosion at a Gaza hospital, triggering protests in a number of Muslim nations. The Israeli military has relentlessly attacked Gaza in retaliation for the devastating Hamas rampage in southern Israel almost 2 weeks ago, but Israel has denied responsibility for the Al Ahli hospital blast, and the US has said that its intelligence assessment found that Tel Aviv was not to blame.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.